Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I hope everyone had a fabulous and wonderful Thanksgiving with friends and loved ones. Today is now Black Friday, and Spellbinders is offering a freebie. 2 thumbs up for the freebie! This is a full press plate with a sentiment. It's called the 4-petal sunflower frame. So you get this beautiful sunflower image and that drop-in sentiment that you can choose to use or change it out, maybe happy birthday or something else, because this part is not dedicated, so you can put anything here in the center. Love that. Now let's talk about how you can get the freebie. The only way you can get this free press plate, and it is only from today the 24th to the 30th. This is only available as a freebie with the purchase of the BetterPress letterpress system. Not a bundle and not one of the gift sets, not the BetterPress gift set. So I'm going to show you the photograph and I'm going to be linking everything I'm talking about below, but I am going to be linking that BetterPress letterpress set, only the set. So I'm showing you what it looks like and I will link it below. Then you have to add this item to your cart. So it's 2 things has to happen to get this BetterPress plate free. If you've been wanting a BetterPress, this might be the time because you'll get the BetterPress letterpress system and you can also have an extra plate to play with. Plus, BetterPress plates are also on sale. So I will be also putting a link for BetterPress deals below because cotton card is on sale, ink is on sale, all sorts of goodies. And overall, Spellbinders Black Friday sale is still going on and is still good, and there's still lots of steals and deals to be had. Yay! So that's the way that you can get the freebie. Item must be added to cart and it must be purchased alongside the BetterPress letterpress system. Now let's talk about my example. Even though I have it pressed out on porcelain cotton card with black BetterPress ink, everything else is different than what I usually do. And thankfully, many items that I used here are on sale. Not everything, but a lot of them are. So after I pressed the image, and I did put the drop in and ran both of them at the same time. So this is one piece, that's one piece. Wishing you a beautiful day. I used the UA. That was my eyeball for the midline, okay? In the alignment of doing it, and then I pressed it through. After I pressed it through, I went to watercolor, but this time I did not use Zig Clean Color Real Brush Markers. No, I treated myself to the Karen Brush Marker Pro. It comes in this beautiful box if you get the whole set. These are what the markers look like. So I would just pull out colors. I need to make a swatch. And the watercolor inks are in here, and you can see how much ink you have. And what I did with this, I'm going to put a link for the Karen Brush Marker Pros at Spellbinders because Spellbinders sells packs in different colors, and then they also carry this box. I just went ahead with the box. I know I'm going to be watercoloring and I want to get better at it, and I realized the last time I watercolored there were some colors that I was missing before. These Karen markers are more intense, unlike the Zig where I would color on here and then come in with my brush. I was actually using my glass board mat to do it. I would squiggle like this and then pick up the color, put a little water here, and then go that way. So I was using my glass board as a palette. There's a special on this too. I'll link that below. You get 25% off with the code Suzanne25. That's going to be until I believe the 28th. Let me clean my glass board because this will pick right back up. But isopropyl alcohol cleans up well. But you see the color? You can make it more intense. You can feather it down. This is now me exploring the Karen brush markers, which I really like. I think it's so pretty. I love the greens too. But when I had put this directly on here, I was having less control. So it was better for me here. I'm still not a watercolorist, but I'm faking it until I make it. So I was having fun with these. They're very nice. I've heard so many good things. There's some neon colors in here too. I don't know when I'll use it. Look how bright that is. After watercoloring the image, then I needed to cut my image down for an A2 card. Of course, I came in with one of my favorites. If you've been watching my channel, you know what the favorites are. Precision layering A2A and B. This is 16 dies per set, and they're in increments of 1/8 of an inch between the two. They graduate down starting at an A2 size, 4¼ by 5½ inch. So I used, I think probably this one is the one I used, the second one, and just straightened out my frame and then cut it out and then cut that one with the base. So this is not 1/16 of an inch wide. This is 1/8 of an inch wide. I only used precision layering A2 set A. If I wanted less brown to show, I would have gone with this one in the set B. I love these so much. There's just so much room for you to play and make all sorts of frames and matting and card bases. It's just fabulous. Don't know why I waited so long to get it. But it is on sale, half off. So that is $12.50. I'll put the rate here on the screen, but I am detailing and linking that definitely below. Also on sale, this wax seal stamp. First time using it and having a ball with it. Spellbinder storage box for wax seals, wax seal beads. I saw Yana did a haul video recently. These little slots, they come out. All the slots come out so you can customize it. She put her pens in here. I thought that was kind of a cool idea. So I use this one. This is the 1-inch round circle wax seal stamp. Wax seal stamps are on sale. Wax seal beads are on sale. This one is with the green wax seal bead. The wax seal kit, also on sale. Fabulous gift for yourself. If you want to give something special to a crafty friend, that's a all-in-one gift done. Stunning when they open it up. It's like, oh wow, this is lovely. And they can go straight to play with it because there are gold wax beads in it. But I found something. This is an item I purchased when a craft store was closing, Ellen's. It's the Cosmic Shimmer Gilding Flakes in Golden Jewels. I did not know Spellbinders carries gilding flakes. They actually have two colors. I'm showing them right here on the screen. A silver and a gold. I believe I ordered the silver one. You know, I already have the gold here. You melt your wax. Open this up. I'm not going to open it because they're going to start flying. And you just sprinkle on a little bit. And then you come on with the stamp. And look at that. Oh, I'm loving this. Expect to see this. It gives a whole different look. It's really pretty. You see how pretty that is? Oh, love. It's almost like marble. It's just really good. I know people use gilding flakes with die cuts and other things, but I'm loving it with the wax seal. No melting with the wax seal, the heat. I tried glitter before. It was a nightmare. So now I can really have fun with these two. There is that 1-inch circle, 3/4 of an inch circle. That does not look like an inch. Maybe that's 3/4 of an inch square. So I did purchase these two, and now I can really have fun with the gilding flakes and play. Probably try that too. So wax seal stamps are on sale, beads are on sale, and the gilding wax not on sale, but definitely worth taking a look at. Look how much you get. You can make 1 million of these. Just really fun to play with, and you can do more beyond just the wax sealing. I bought it for the wax sealing though. With the 4-petal, this shape coordinates with the essential 4-petal labels dies. I love this set of dies. They are on sale too. Thumbs up. So I'm showing you a lot of things that are on sale. I could have pulled this out and played within here as well. Right here looks like it would work with this shape too. You could go like this. Maybe I'll do that. Let's test it. Yeah, you see? That could work. Oh, maybe I should have done that. At this size, this is a full A2. I believe. Let's see. This one will crop a little bit, but this works as well if you wanted to. So that's good too. If you love shapes, if you love creating layers of interest like that, this might be a set that works flawlessly with this one. And you can also purchase this separately too. If you already have a BetterPress system without the freebie, then this would be $21.99. Still beautiful. I see them all the time in the grocery store. So to me, they're like all year round. I don't know if it's a Florida thing, but I see them all the time. So I don't always think fall with sunflowers, but it is a beautiful flower for fall. Underneath my wax seal, this beautiful cord you're seeing, all my Vivant came in. Vivant. My journey into this whole Vivant thing, it all started when Spellbinders sent me a sample pack of the Vivant trims, ribbon, cord, and twine out of the set. The ribbon is very nice, very pretty, but I'm not a ribbon tire type. I need to get a bow maker or something to help me with that. For easy crafting, I love these cords, which reminds me of twine. So I loved these two colors so much. These were the first two I bought. I still have not opened them because they're just so pretty. And you get, I'll put it here on the screen because it says 50 meters. I'm going to put it in yards for you, but it's a lot. I had also recently hauled this color. Love this. I'll put the name of it here. First, I bought these two. These are the newer ones, the mustard and this light seafoam color. So the pink is, the name is not here on the tag. It would be nice. Maybe I should write it down on the tag. This pinky color, this darker color, this mustard, and then this light one. So I ordered those. And I showed in a recent video, I had also hauled this. Super pretty. It's called Fin Cord. 100 meters. I'm going to put the yards here on the screen and the proper name. This is in silver. So I got the silver first. And then I also ordered, I had to put this in a bag though because it was starting to unravel a little bit. This is what I use here. This is that gold cord. Look at that. I think it's called flashy cord. Yes, flashy cord. So pretty. So super pretty, crafters. Look at the colorways. It's just so good. You know, there's a lot of new items in the Vivant. I bought a sampling because I know these are not the most cheapest trims, but you do get a lot though. This is not a little bit of cord, so this will last me a very long time. So will this. This definitely will last me. They're just so pretty. After I received this order of the new things, I went back in to finish out everything because I wanted to just see the quality first. I knew it's luxury, but I just still wanted to see what it was before I just went and bought a bunch. Along with the silver, I now have gold, and I believe this is rose gold. Look at that. These two in particular work so well here, right? And look how this, the flashy, works with that gilding flake. Fabulous. There is this one, another flashy in copper. Look how pretty that is too. Can't you see this on a lot of projects? If you love anything vintage or something different, more worn, this would be perfect for that. I bought two more of the cotton lurex cord. This one is aubergine, love. And this one, I want to say is navy. I don't think it's called navy. Maybe it is. But it all has this flecks of gold in it. I would love this if it comes with flecks of silver too. Oh, yes. I would be there for the silver too. Like a pretty silver in it as well. But these are just fabulous. So I'll put a general link for the Vivant. And you can take a look. It's a lot of really nice trim. If you can tie ribbons, their ribbon you can hot foil on. You know, I might just hot foil and then just lay it down flat. I may do something like that then. Give that whole hot foil thing on the ribbon a try, but it's very pretty. All right, crafters, I just wanted to hop on. Obviously, I wanted to show you my haul, talk about the freebie. Remember, must add to cart. If you are buying the BetterPress letterpress system, add this freebie to your cart. So both things have to be in your cart at checkout. Yes, you can add other items to it. It doesn't have to only just be those two. You can still shop the sale. And at $100, you're going to get free shipping. So that letterpress system, I believe is, I know it's under 80, maybe somewhere in there. Then you add this one for free. So you could add this. You could add one of these dies because these are fabulous. You could also go into the ribbon. You could do the wax seal stamp if you're loving the stamp look. You could add a jar of the gilding flakes. They have the two colors, I believe is $10.50. And look how much you get. So there's lots of options and play to have fun with 4-petal sunflower frame. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Happy shopping over this Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday. I'll also link the Spellbinders Black Friday sale video. That one goes into a lot of detail about all the items that have been on sale. Maybe earlier this week you couldn't do it, but now you can. Take a look at the video because I'm showing you a lot of product. So you can do a 2-dimensional card or you can pop it up like this, put some gems. A lot of the gems are on sale at Spellbinders as well and turn it into something else. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.